Yes, Joe Cousin Cletus. Let's look at this. We got our 2020 model Tesla Model 3, so I don't know. Do you call it like a Hyundai Model Santa Fe? No. So Tesla 3. This mirror, the car wash, did not get along. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll just get the paint. So I got the paint coat off here, and we'll just paint this mirror cover. This is some kind of pearl paint. I don't know if you could tell as dirty as it is. See the little pearl there? So it's not cheap. But what we'll do is we'll pull this mirror cover off and we'll put a new one on. Okay, we're back. Now, I did not show you guys that in the video because I don't have my stand and I only have one hand. So, this is the old one. As you can see, it just pops off. Now, I did break that clip and that clip because they usually look, oh no, that clip, sorry, they usually look like that. You can see here is the part number. That's my VIN number. Obviously, I guess these cars all have VIN numbers on the mirror covers. And pearl white multi is the color. Tesla Plastics. I got on Amazon and got this for about $22 after shipping and everything. Good part number. The paint, I'm not sure if you can see it. Not really, but it is the exact color. So all you gotta do is line it up here pretty much like this, push it on until it snaps. See if I could do this one-handed, guys. Like I said, I don't have my stand with me. Maybe that's pretty much it. I'm gonna snap it all again, but that's it. So 22 bucks, a lot better than paint. All right, well, it did take a little more finagling here. I had to pick it back up, make sure the clip right here and over here line up and sit in there. The ones that are broke on this one has little tabs where they go down like this. But yeah, you line up here, and then you push it down and it clips right in, no problem. As you can see, it's tight and good. And I'll just push the mirror back. They're electric, they open and close all the time. But there it is, guys. It is on the car. We'll just throw this other part away.